My name is Mela. Now I'd like to present about my job. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Jenica Orlanda Mellynia Putri with NPM 097. So the title of my job is the positive impact of using Instagram for learners. In this presentation, I divide into three parts. The first part is introduction, second part is main discussion, and the last part is conclusions. So I will start from the first part, introductions. In this part, I will divide into three: the background, research question, and purpose. The first is background. I will explain how the internet has changed the way people communicate, so make it easier for everyone to access the learning process. And then the impact of using the internet is depending on how users use the internet, because internet have negative and positive impacts. And the good thing that is obtained from the internet is easy to find information that are available on various social media platforms. And then I will define about social media, which is a channel or means online social interaction in internet. Then the last, I will explain how Instagram offers a variety of features such as a filter for full image editing and caption to capture images and videos as they launch. On Instagram, people can share any moment in the form of image or videos. And then the next is a research question. The first one is how to use Instagram to learn English. And the second is what's the effect of using Instagram in learning English. And the purpose of this research is to identify the use of Instagram to learn English, and then the analyzing of the effect of using Instagram in learning English. Next is the second part is main discussions. First, I will explain about the Instagrams. Instagram can be interpreted as an application that can function as a medium for sharing photo and videos in the social network, that allowing users to take photo and video and add filter to make it interest to the content. Next is the identification of some way in which Instagram is used to learn English. So I divide into two sections. The first one is Instagram as a teaching research provider that can be used as a research provider for language learning. And the second is Instagram as an experience provider that can improve our experience in practicing English skills without limits. Now I will explain the first section, Instagram as a teaching research providers. There are some resources that can be used for learning English through Instagram. The first one is a special educational account that you can see in the slide. I provide the two accounts. The first one, English learning tips and English grammar tip, which is help us to learn English skill with tips or our grammar mistakes, and there are many vocabulary that we don't know before. And then the second is account is about native speaker and Instagram influencer account that are commonly known as public figure on Instagrams. That you can see in the slide, there are two that I follow is Guruku Mr. J and Orange English, which is help me to improve my skills in English, like conversation and speaking, and then the listenings. And those are the examples that can help us to learn English perfectly. And then I will explain how the account help to improve our skill with a various content that upload. And the second section is Instagram as an experience providers. The first one, improve our speaking skill. We can develop our speaking skill by using the feature of Instagram and practice directly while watch the video that you can see in the slide. There are example how he give us to greeting how to greeting in English. And the second is listening skill. Account that on Instagram that share video with English audio can come from special education account and information account. There are conversation that we can hear that and we can learn and we can improve our listening. And the third is reading skill, that we can develop our reading skill by read caption or photo we written in English on Instagram. Next is writing skill. The account at a feature in the story widget and caption features. Then many people write English caption in their posts on Instagram, which just increase our ability to write in English. So for the example is Maudi Ayunda is a write in English captions. The next is improve our ability to vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciations. So by listening or reading to the post in the form of image on video in Instagram, we can learn the grammar, which is that you can see in the slide that is in the story, the feature story Q&A, which is we can answer that directly, and then we can improve our vocabulary that you can see in the slide, the turn off, and so on. And the last is our pronunciation, improve our pronunciation, how we can pronounce correctly, how we can difference pronounce where the some word have a same pronounce. And the last part is about my conclusions. So that we can conclude Instagram as the one of the media that can be used for learning English because of the positive things that are obtained. And then through Instagram we can learn English which is uploaded by those accounts. Learning English can be done anywhere and anytime depending on the needs and desire of the users. Instagram can be used by students to improve their skill outside of the formal classes taken. Alright, that's all of my presentation.